Hello.
Hi Tofus! Hi everyone, you're not welcome to my channel! So today I'm gonna make a fool of myself by exposing my credit card exposing my singing videos when I was a fetus. Just for your information, I'm not that Oh my god. Hi everyone, you're not welcome to my channel. Just for your little information, me right now is not some kind of Ariana Grande kind of singer. I am just that typical random Asian girl on the internet who loves to sing but doesn't know how to. Basically, my singing journey is actually like this. How am I supposed to draw this? I'll figure it out later. I don't have a vocal teacher. I don't attend any of the vocal classes. I don't even do vocal exercises like at all. I just did pure singing. I sing for the sake of singing. Oh, by the way, disclaimer, if I could describe my 9-year-old self singing in 5 words, it will be ew, very, very cringe, ew. Yeah, but I can guarantee that I sound much better than our only London opera! Since y'all really like to watch me roast people, so today I'm gonna roast myself. Let's go! Anyways, hi, my name is Sabrina. You're not welcome to my channel, by the way, but before you leave, please do subscribe to my channel because I post nonsense video every week, so yeah, subscribe. It all started when Google Images actually notified me that one cringy selfie that I took 9 years ago. Yeah, it's that one damn app that saves every single picture you have on your phone, including the ones you deleted, which is ugly as hell. Well, thanks to that, I'm able to make this epic next level content for you guys to enjoy. So I hope you enjoy. So yay! This is gonna be terrible. I can already feel it. Okay, 1, 2. What song is this?
1, 2, 3, 난 나를 따라줘 마. 어딘가에서 너의 숨소리가 들어와.
Dude, she's a literal fetus over here.
4, 5, 6, 8가 눈물이 내려와.
And is my voice actually that high?
나는 나도 너의 향기가 그립다.
Oh my god, why am I literally sound like... Is it obvious that I'm out of air? Out of breath? Don't crack, don't crack. Don't crack, don't crack, don't crack. It's a high note. Oh, I bring it down. Okay. Okay, I bring everything down. You can sing however you want, just don't crack in front of me, please. Oh my god. Look at the determination! Am I that small back then? Oh my god, If you are Korean or you can understand Korean language is actually a very beautiful language. Therefore, I apologize in advance on behalf of this fetus because she's literally singing everything wrong. 4, 5, 6, 8가 눈물이 내려와. Turn my back and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. I actually still remember the time when I was filming this and I thought I sounded good. Like I literally in my head and I was like, oh my god, the song is so high and I managed to kind of hit that note. Oh my god. So that is all from Fetus Sabrina 10 years ago. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so sorry y'all have to hear this. Like so this is when I was 13. I actually have no idea what I'm doing here. I don't remember filming this.
大家好，我叫我今年13岁。我想要当
Okay, no, this is not a singing video. This is something else. I thought you're gonna sing here, Sabrina. Damn it, don't clickbait me like that. And why am I wearing the same outfit? Like literally. Do I have only one pair of clothes, Sabrina? Okay, so apparently I found this video when I was 14. I fucked up with the... Bro! You and I. Yeah. I was so bad at singing, but I didn't know I was such a butch. At least I know I was gonna fucked up. This is my literal expectation. Like it's so low. Like if I go lower, you can't see on the camera, but it went lower. I'm just embarrassed. I think this is the phase where I'm still struggling to find my own voice. Like I don't even know what like my tone is. It's either that or I'm actually experiencing this epic transformation disorder called puberty, or both. You know, it can be both. So this is when I was 15. I did not film my face for some reasons. I don't know why. Let's enjoy a black screen, everyone.
'Cause you are the piece of me I wish I didn't need. Chasing relentlessly, still flying. I don't know if I love.
Oh my god, it's so bad. Oh my god. I'm just gonna stop this here. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm not sorry. This is not even me. Why am I sorry? But dude, it's been 6 years after this video and you're telling me that I still sound like this. Like literally, I didn't even train my vocals at all, so why am I expecting so much? But Clarity is a song for experts, dude. Fetus, Sabrina, just focus on your techniques, then we'll talk about Clarity. This is actually when I was 16 back then. Dude, I hope I improve. Please improve. No, I did not improve. You. I did not improve.
Closer to better. Now we're picking fights, slamming door, magnify all our flaws, and I wonder why.
My pitch is so off.
Why we keep coming back for more. Is it just somebody?
I fucked up with the piano.
Are we both losing our mind? Is the only reason you're
I'm straining.
We're scared.
I know it. I know it. This is actually still bad, but it's better than the others so far, I guess. But it's still bad. I have this pitch control that I can't control. This girl is having a Bart. Oh my god. I want to say bad and hard at the same time. A hard time controlling her pitch. And she is having some breath control problems, so ew. Like literally on the starting of a song, like it was great at the very start.
It was great at the very start.
Okay, so I'm a grown-up woman now, okay? I'm 17 here, so 17 right here. 괜찮아. Stop it. What am I singing? Oh, Kiss and Makeup, is it? Yeah, I remember this time. Why is my room so messy?
We haven't talked in the morning. Bang my head against the wall. Scared I'm falling. Losing all my control. And I'm tired of talking. Feel myself saying the same old things, but this love's important. Don't wanna lose you this way. I feel like we're about to break up. I just wanna kiss and make up one last time. Touch me like I touch nobody. Put your hands all up on me. Tired of hearing sorry.
Kiss and make up.
Hope I will leave this party, 'cause all I want is you up on me. Tired of hearing sorry.
Kiss and make it, kiss and make up.
Kiss and make up. Kiss and make it, kiss and make up. Kiss and make up. Kiss and make. 아직 너를 못 달라고 있는 건지 언제까지 떠나고 뭐라고 하지마 그 장난 우리를 다시 거저볼 수는 없으지 아무런 말은 내 하지마 마지막 끝 없어 I feel like we're about to break up I just wanna kiss and make up one last time touch me like I touch nobody Put your hands all up on me. Tired of hearing sorry.
I feel like this is still not that good, but this is the best one I've heard out of all of these horrible ones. Besides fixing my vocals, I feel like I should fix my bedroom. Like literally, it's way tidier right now. This is from last year. Oh my god, want to play? I missed the play button. Show us what you got, girl.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out of dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and set me out and I'll ship it. See how I live every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I would do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out of time. The scars of your remind they keep me thinking that we almost had it all.
Bro, what is that? That's so cringe. Oh my gosh.
They leave me breathless. I can't help
Don't crack, don't crack.
feeling we couldn't have it all. Rolling in a deep. You had my heart inside. And you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat.
It's the best one I have heard out of all of this, like so far, literally. I think I'm still out of breath sometimes. Like, and you played it, you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat. That part is kind of out of breath. It's obvious that I'm out of breath. And is it just me because I'm hearing my own voice? Oh yeah, maybe. Oh my god. You know when you hear your own voice, it's always not good. I remember like maybe when I was 16, I kind of realized that my voice is kind of like at the lower tone, like Adele. I love singing Adele and Dua Lipa songs. The range is like, it's like my comfort zone. My New Year resolution for 2021 is to practice my vocals every single day. So actually I want to say something. If you guys want to practice vocals on YouTube, make sure that the video you chose to practice with has an explanation on why you need to do those specific vocal exercises. Because sometimes if you just and you don't know what's the point of doing that, then it might harm your vocal cords in some way. That's what I understand. I'm still learning, I'm not a professional. Just do some research before you actually practice. Yeah, let's move on. 2021, hey! Oh my god, why is it? Oh, okay. First of all, I did a good job maintaining my room. It's definitely way tidier than 2 years ago.
But I don't care, do it over and over. 내 생선 속에 너만 있으면 돼. We are the lovesick girl. 네 멋으로 내 사랑을 끝낼 수 없어. We are the lovesick girl. 네 아픔 없이 말하면 의미가 없어.
Why do I feel like I'm gonna stream?
But we were born to be alone. Yeah, we were born to be alone.
We were born to be alone, but now we're still looking for love. I thought I would be good, but where is the dynamic, bro? Like seriously, why do I look so depressed? Oh my god, is someone pointing a gun at me or something like that? To the most recent one, which is 2 months ago. I haven't been filming me singing like for a while, so the last time I'm singing is like 2 months ago. So yeah, here we go. Okay.
You have a heart that will never be words apart.
Wow, look at my face.
Be in magazine.
Determination. No, just kidding.
Still be my star. Maybe kiss in the dark. You can see shining cars, and that's when you need me there.
I don't know how to harmonize actually.
Because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always always need friends who can hold fast to get out to the end. Now it's raining more than ever. Know that we still had each other. You can stay under my umbrella. You can stay under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, yeah. Under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, yeah.
Okay, this is... I got my feelings, I got my pitch, I got my tone. I have improved, okay? I have improved, even though I still don't have the skills to make my voice sounds like a Beyonce or something like that. But well, I improved. But at least, even from the start of this video, I still have the skill to sound better than Ollie London, so... And yo, I have this shirt, everyone! Look at this! Oh my god! Before I end this video, I'm gonna have a duet with my feature Sabrina. Oh my god.
1, 2, 3 넌 나를 떠나지만 어딘가에서 너의 숨소리가 들어와 또다시 4, 5, 6 빨간 넌 머리 내려와 나른했던 너의 향기가 그립다
나를 위해 그라 했던 너의 마음 거지름처럼 차갑게 돌아섰던 너는 왜 You're gone away
Come back home Can you come back home 차가운 세상 끝에 날 버리지 말고 내 곁으로
Come back home Can you come back home 언제나 품은 뒤로 해 여전히 널 기다려 이렇게 Now you gotta do what you gotta do
아무 대답 없는 네가 너무이지만 가끔은 너도 나를 그리워할까 yeah. 너 없는 시간 속에 갇혀버린 난 앞에 볼 수가 없어 너무 두려워
아직도 마다한 나를 날들이 기다려 있을 것만 같아 너는 어디에 too far away
Come back home Can you come back home 차가운 세상 끝에 날 버리지 말고 내 곁으로 Come back home Can you come back home 모든 아픔은 위로해 여전히 널 기다려 이렇게 Now you gotta do what you gotta do Okay, bro, let me try the chorus again. I kind of fucked up. Come back home, can you come back home? 차가운 세상 끝에 날 버리지 말고 나 fuck it. Okay, bye.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any other video topics that you want me to talk about. And also, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hope you enjoy this cringy video of myself. Hey.
Snow blows white on the mountain tonight Not a footprint to be seen A kingdom of isolation And it looks like I'm the queen The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried Don't let them in, don't let them see Be the good girl you always have to be Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know Well now they know Let it go, let it go Can't hold it back anymore Let it go, let it go Turn my back and slam the door I don't care what they're going to say never bothered me anyway.